Virus pandemic is also creating an explosion in the telemedicine world as patients eager to avoid hospitals because so many coronavirus patients were there jumped on their phones for face-to-face doctor consultations. That boom triggered a blockbuster acquisition this week when telemedicine frontrunner Teladoc snapped up rival Livongo. Look at the price action, though, in Livongo. While shares are still up about 370% year to date, they did spike Wednesday on the announced deal, but at this hour, they're down 9.9% and look to close down on the week. We did notice a different story with DarioHealth, which focuses on telemedicine for chronic conditions like diabetes. It's a smaller name, but the stock, a steady climber all week long as investors look to the future of medicine and maybe more acquisition activity. CEO of DarioHealth now, Erez Raphael, joins us in a Fox Business exclusive. Erez, what did you make of this consolidation, and where do you stand with DarioHealth in what makes you different and separates you from the pack?
Hi, Liz. Thanks for having me here today. Yes, so Livongo and Teladoc merge is very exciting, and I want to congratulate the shareholders of both Livongo and Teladoc. I think that the chronic condition management is something that Livongo wisely were investing in, and they made a tremendous job creating a market here where Teladoc recognized that that's where the market is going to, and eventually, in order to treat chronic condition, it's very, very important to surround the user 24/7. And digital solutions and digital therapeutic solutions such as Livongo is the solution for chronic condition management. And I think that this is the first of many transactions and mergers that we're going to see in the space of digital health and digital therapeutics.
Mm-hmm. Well, would you be open to that? And I know you're about to report numbers in a couple of days, so I know you don't want to get too specific, but if another larger company came in and wanted to swallow you up, would you go for that?
Yeah, so I think that we build a very, very compelling solution, and we have more than 50,000 active users that are happy. Actually, we are top rated in the App Store, and our Net Promoter Score is 77. So I think that we did a very good job by creating a good solution that's showing that we can improve outcome and we can save a lot of money to the healthcare and get happy users. And, it's yet to be seen what are the offers that we're going to have, but we feel that we are in a very good spot, growing and creating a market share here in the U.S.
This week, President Trump signed the executive order involving telemedicine, in essence saying that he would permanently expand benefits for Medicare patients, meaning he'll pay for these things. And I look at the future of telemedicine, and there were so many battles during Obamacare about what is the one magic element that would finally bend the cost curve of healthcare, which has been parabolic for many, many years. Could it be telemedicine as the costs come down?
Yes, so we are part of the digital health and digital therapeutics for the last 10 years, and we have been there for a long time, build very smart technologies, and I can tell you that the last 5 months are big in terms of the transformation that we feel, a lot of deals that we were trying to cut for a lot of period of time. We feel that we are getting there, and this is a very good signal from the White House that understand the importance of virtualization of the healthcare industry. And we see it also from the private sectors by a lot of private insurance companies that are adopting the solution. So the intensive growth of Livongo is one indication, and we believe that we're going to see more indication from other companies smaller than Livongo that we are in a very, very special period of time when we see a huge transformation of the space.
Well, your stock is up more than 3,000% year over year. And, I know that a lot of diabetes sufferers are people who depend on you because, as we were just showing in that video, they're the ones who can actually benefit from what you do and other chronic issues on telemedicine. DarioHealth CEO Erez Raphael, great to see you. Thank you very much. Dow Jones Industrials now more firmly